This video is a part of a series all about manipulating arrays.
Let's talk about the sum method. Let's say we have an array of all the sharks in a tank at the aquarium. We don't want to swim in the tank if any of the sharks are dangerous to swim with. The sum method can help us with this. The sum method tests whether or not at least one item in the array matches the given criteria. It then will return true or false based on that logic. Let's talk about the sum method syntax. This variable will either be true or false depending on the outcome. This is the call to the sum method itself.
This is the function which each item will be iterated through.
If any of the items in the given array match the criteria, true will be returned, otherwise false will be.
Let's dive into some code.
Here's the array of sharks. Each item has two keys, one of the species type and the other a boolean called dangerous to humans. We'll create a variable called tank is dangerous to humans. Let's call the sum method and set the criteria to check each item to see if they have dangerous to humans set to true.
We'll make sure to do a console.log so that we can print out our result in the terminal.
Now we'll run our file using Node and we'll see that it comes back as true, dangerous to humans. Let's say we have another tank of sharks and this one is full of safe sharks. Side note, these tanks must be huge because whale sharks are 41,000 pounds. You'll see the other array here and you can see that dangerous to humans flags are all false. We'll run our file with the new array and we'll see that it's set to false, safe for humans.